Hello. Today I will show you how to remove earpads cushions on Razer Kraken X USB gaming headphones and how to reattach or change them for new replacements. You can find new earpads on Amazon or Aliexpress. The links to them is in the video description. The pads are very easy to take off. Just put your index finger inside the earpad cushion and slowly pull off the ear cup. As you can see, it only holds on to the headphones by being inserted into the groove. Then replacing the new earpads is just as easy. Slide the edge of the new earpads into the body groove of the headphones. Once you've pushed the first edge in, hold it with your finger, so it doesn't slip out. Then, with the fingers of your other hand, try to slide the remaining section of the earpads into the groove. As soon as you get a segment of the edge in the groove, hold it in place so it doesn't slip out of the groove. Continue pulling the remaining edge of the earpads into place. Slowly and without hurry. The goal is to keep the earpad's edge from falling out. That's it. The right position of earpads is with the seam side down, but that doesn't make much difference. I hope this video was helpful. Have a good gaming evening.